Hey, it's Brittany, and we're here in Winter Garden, Florida. This is a town that I used to visit all the time when I worked at Disney. My roommates and I would come out here and just hang out. Such a cute little town. I'm so excited to be back out here. It's Blaine's first time in town. So we're gonna check out just what has changed. It's been a while since I've been here, so I'm super excited to see it, but it is gorgeous. So let's go explore Winter Garden and get some food, maybe some coffee, and just have a great day. Hit the like button and subscribe. Let's go explore. So this is the Plant Street Market. It is like a food co-op, kind of like the one in Sanford, which is really cool. So we're gonna go check this out. I've always wanted to, so this is gonna be awesome. Oh, this is cool. So we got tea and boba, coffee, which they have this down the street, some juices, empanadas, yum, donuts, yum, chocolate and gelato, some sushi bar over here. It's not open. Oh, there's sushi poke. This is big. The Butcher's Deli, which I heard is amazing. Whoa, cool. It's like some stromboli and pizza. Chicago style food, macked out, and then it looks like it's like a brewery down here, the Crooked Can, and there's some restrooms and the water station, plenty of seats, and yeah, it's a brewery down here. Really cool. This is awesome. Oh, this looks really cool. I love these types of things because there's just so much to do and so much to try, and it's all in one place. The little piggy. This little piggy was like barbecue. Really cool. Well, that was everything we love. But we're gonna come out here on the actual Plant Street, which is where the downtown is located. So a lot of this downtown, there is bikes and such, which is great. There's like a center kind of for the biking path, but there's a trail that goes through here, which is really cool. So we're gonna walk into downtown. If there's one thing about Winter Garden I absolutely love, it's all the buildings. Like they're brick or they're really cool. Like this is City Hall and it like looks so dope. Like it's so pretty. They also have music piped in, so that's when you know it's a nice town. But like look at how cool City Hall is. It's just, I don't know. The ambiance here is immaculate. So I'm very happy to be back. We're walking around, having a grand old time. It's also a very beautiful day out today too, which is very nice. But that's what I mean by you can walk in the middle, which is pretty crazy. But yeah, it's real pretty. There's tons of options for restaurants here too. There's like Foxtail Coffee. Also, this building is just like absolutely stunning. We've got the Hangry Bison, which I heard is really fantastic. But there is a cafe called the Three Birds Cafe that opened when we were still in Washington that I wanted to come down and check out for a while. So we might stop in there and grab like a coffee, something, and then figure out somewhere to eat. Might be here, might be Three Birds, who knows? We're just walking around figuring it out. But this is like a picture perfect town. It's kind of crazy. They have a music festival going on down here, I think in the next 2 weeks. I can't remember what date it is. But so that's cool. Also, they have a splash pad for the kiddos in the summertime. Okay, I guess it's an interactive fountain. So, it's a splash pad. But it's cool, it's cute. It's nice to have here in the summertime. So here's the music and entertainment schedule. Like this looks awesome. So much. And that's why you love little towns like this, is because they put on stuff like this. And there is a parking garage right in the middle of town that is free to park your car. So just know that there's plenty of parking, street parking even, and it's walkable the whole town. Okay, we did end up taking a back tour and we're actually gonna eat at the Hangry Bison here. So here's the menu. It is a beautiful day, so we are sitting outside. Is there a bag? Yeah, there's a bag. Their menu is online if you are looking for it, but I'm gonna see what I want to eat. Okay, I got the Bison Blue Burger. It's a Bison burger with blue cheese and all the yummies. There's like onions, and I got sweet potato fries, extra cooked, and Blaine got the regular Bison burger it's on a pretzel bun, so like looks really good and everything. So we're gonna give it a try, but it looks delicious. It smells really good. Okay, but look at this cross section. This looks fantastic. Also had one of these, absolutely good, and the ranch has like a little kick to it. Literally so freaking good. So I'm gonna take a bite of this and I'll let you guys know at the end what I thought of it, because this is gonna be hard for me to eat. I'm just gonna look like a dummy on camera, so I'm just gonna eat my burger. But I tried the fries and they're delicious. Just got out of the Hangry Bison. It was delicious. Probably the best bison burgers we've ever had. We're darn near close. The patties were nice and thick. It was just really cooked perfectly. Very good. So I would recommend that place if you're here. But we're just gonna walk around, maybe grab some coffee. Just check the rest of Winter Garden out. They have this really cute theater. The Garden Theater. It's like real nice, I'm not gonna lie. And they even have a box office. Talk about my type of place. But yeah, there's so much outdoor seating here, it's not even funny. Like, so much outdoor seating for like all the cafes and the restaurants. It's pretty nice. Also like cool alleyways and everything too. Like, look at that. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Centennial Plaza. It's just so pretty. All the old brick buildings are just absolutely gorgeous. And there's a railroad museum to our right. There's like an old railroad over here, museum, and then there's like a rail car you can walk into somewhere down here. I think it's on the end of the street this way, which is nice. But yeah, like this whole center area is just so cool. Like, look how beautiful this is with like the fountain and stuff. It's very pretty. Still my favorite town here in Florida. And there are some pretty, some pretty little towns here, but to me, Winter Garden takes the cake. Coming up on the attic door, this is where I used to go and do trivia. And here, right here at the attic door, shout out to my DCP roommates. It's very eclectic inside, but very cool and very fun. Just like a cool little, oh, there's the car. There's the train car I was telling you about. That's gorgeous too. And then the Three Birds Cafe, which is where we're gonna get coffee. I think we're gonna go to the train car first and check that out, which is really fun. Let some of these cars go. Oh, okay, sure. Let the van go. Let the van go. Oh, just kidding. Okay, traffic jam. Here we go. This is the Heritage Museum here. It's really cute. Like I said, everything in this town is cute. I'll probably say it like 10 times. This is cute. This is adorable. But it is. It's cute and adorable. Whoa. Oh, this is a fire engine. That's really, really cool. Got like a tractor. A citrus spray wagon from nearby in Oakland. It looks really old. A Fordson tractor. Cool. I like this fire engine. It's cool. Museum is open from 11 to 3. It's cool. You can just go up in it. This caboose was built in 1948. I think this was in Ohio. Oh, it's green. There you go. Little info on it. Looks like beds, maybe, where you ate. You'd sit up here. The toilet. Another bed or bench. And in the back. Pretty cool though. That's an old train car. But yeah, it's really fun, the little history that they have here. It's really cool actually. It's old choo-choo. But it's cool. And then there's more history of it all and stuff. A little history about the town in there. But yeah, it's just, I don't know. It's just like, this is just picturesque, especially these flowers right here, like perfection. Like this could be a postcard. But no, Winter Garden is awesome. So I think we're gonna head over to Three Birds and order some coffee. But it's still pretty, I love it. Okay, it's really loud in here, but it's also adorable. Like, look at how cute this is. Vibes are immaculate. I love it. I'll tell you what we get. I got the rose lavender honey latte. Super freaking good. There's like little rose petals on top too. So good. It was delicious. But we're kind of walking around now, so I want to show you a little bit more. This is the fountain. There's like the pagoda that we walked by earlier. We're in the middle section. So there's like tables out here and swings and the cute fountain. It's just really pretty here. I love it. It's gorgeous. Over there is where we were walking on the way in. So there's like the Axum Coffee and the theater. There's a really cute that I also want to try one time. It's a French cafe over here, like has yummy like bakery items and stuff, all like French pastries and stuff. But here's the garden theater. Now you actually see like the front of the theater. It's really pretty. And like I said, there's lots of bikes throughout here, so just be careful for bikes. Blaine keeps reminding me because I keep wandering throughout the pathway. Just stay to one side. But yeah, it's really pretty here. Lots of great places to walk, to sit, to grab a drink, grab a bite to eat. I don't know, I think this is like the quintessential like small town that, I don't know, I love it. It's so cute. Also like the streets are brick, which is really pretty. It's just really peaceful and I really enjoy walking around. Definitely doesn't suck, let's put it that way. But yeah, Three Birds, really, really tasty coffee. And they had some menu items too, but we just wanted to eat over here. But yeah, super fun. Gotta love Winter Garden. And with that, we are off. Just a quick little look at Winter Garden today. It is gorgeous. I love it here. I'll definitely come back and show you guys more an in-depth tour. I just wanted to come and eat and shop and see what was around. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe. We'll see you guys real soon. Bye!